Example of preset. First go to light. Exposure plus 0.30. Contrast plus 35. Highlights negative 77. Shadow plus 30. Whites plus 16. Blacks negative 45. Next go to curve. Follow these steps. Now go to color. Vibrance negative 26. Saturation plus 16. Go to max. Now go to red color. Hue negative 26. Saturation plus 22. Luminance negative 12. Next go to orange color. Hue negative 26. Saturation negative 10. Luminance plus 8. Now go to yellow color. Hue negative 100. Saturation negative 72. Go to green color. Hue negative 45. Saturation negative 100. Luminance negative 12. Now go to aqua color. Saturation negative 100. Go to blue color. Saturation negative 100. Now go to purple color. Saturation negative 100. Go to magenta color. Saturation negative 100. Next go to effect. Clarity plus 10. Dehaze plus 46. Vignette negative 20. Midpoint plus 25. Now go to split tone. Highlights of hue 222 and saturation 5. Hue 220 and saturation 22 of shadow. Next go to detail. Sharpening plus 20. Noise reduction 20. Color noise reduction 15. Now go to Profiles, follow us. And finish.